Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Yubo app. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Make sure you are logging to your Yubo account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Account option. There you can find Name option, tap on it. Now enter your new name. Once you're done, tap on the Update button. And this is how you can change your name in Yubo app. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.